Hi everyone. We would like to introduce you to the wild-caught New Zealand fish maw. The fish maw you can see now is the medium-sized one. One caddy contains 17 to 18 pieces. It is dried and red. New Zealand fish maw is sourced from wild codfish. Codfish grow in the unpolluted, cold, deep waters of New Zealand. Local fish maw production factories adopt the HACCP management system. No bleach or any chemical substances are added during the production and processing, ensuring that everyone can consume it healthily and with nothing to worry. The New Zealand government stipulates that fishermen can only catch wild codfish that are 5 years old or older, which is why you won't find very small size of authentic New Zealand fish maw. Our rehydration process is very simple. I'll prepare a pot of boiling water, then steam the fish maw. For this size of fish maw, steam them over water for about 1 hour. Look, they've shrunk. They've become smaller, which is common among all fish maw that has been steamed. You'll see it has shrunk and curled up. That means it's okay. At this point, we can turn off the heat. Then, we've prepared a basin of cold water. We'll put the fish maw into the cold water to soak. The cold water needs to be enough to fully submerge all the fish maw. Then, put it in the refrigerator to soak overnight. The next morning, everyone can see what the effect is like. The fish maw has become much longer and thicker. It looks perfect on both sides. There is no impurity on the fish maw. Besides, it turns back to yellow again. You can now store the fish maw in the freezer and use it to make soup or stew it. Visit our official website if you want to purchase. International delivery is also available. If you like our videos, remember to support us. Like, share, and comment. You can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.